Welcome to Pasco School District's My Professional Growth System video tutorial series. This video series is designed to provide end users with just-in-time instruction that is needed to complete various tasks within the portal. This video specifically will show users how to access and navigate the evaluation plans and use the notes library. To begin, you will navigate to pasco.truenorthlogic.com. Then you will sign in using your typical district username and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to the home page. To access the evaluation plans as an evaluator, click on the Staff Evaluations tab. The Principal dashboard will open, showing all plans that you have permission to access. Click on the name of the individual you are evaluating to open their plan. To access the evaluation plan as an employee, click on Evaluations. Click the name of the plan to begin. The tabs at the top of the plan contain major portions of the evaluation plan. Click on the top of the containers within the tabs to open or close them. An open container allows access to the activities within. Any activities with this icon are a notes library. Click on the name of the activity to view. The Notes Library may also be accessed through an assessment observation by clicking the Enter Notes Library button at the top of the page. Once the activity loads, begin a new note by clicking New Note. Use the text box to write the text of your note. If you prefer to script your observation, you can use the text box to enter your script. If you prefer to jot down thoughts or feedback as you observe, you can use the text box for that purpose as well. For the purpose of this demonstration, I am pasting a sample note taken as a series of thoughts into the text box. You will also note that as the script was taken, the author pressed the return key at the end of each line, creating a line break after each note. The standards and the components are listed on the right. If the entire text of the note can be related to a single standard or component, you can choose to tag it at this point. However, more frequently, users will type in evidence that should first be broken apart so that individual thoughts or sentences can be tied to specific components of the rubric. If this is the case, you will not tag at this point, but will do that in steps that follow. To continue without tagging, click Done. The text of my original note is visible inside the library. I can click Add to create another new note or script. If, however, I would like to continue working with this note, I can elect to split apart the pieces and tag them to individual elements. In order to split out a segment and tag it, look to the top tabs within the Notes library and select Split. Locate the script to break apart or split and click the Split button next to the note itself. This will expose all of the author's line breaks. From here, you can split out only specific notes by choosing the Split button nearest to the partition note, or I can choose to split all of my notes by clicking Split All at the top. For the purpose of this demonstration, click Split All. The next function is to tag the notes to the appropriate standard. Click the Tag tab at the top of the Notes library. From this view, you can see all the notes that were previously split. On the right half of the screen, the list of tags from the rubric display. If using a desktop computer, drag the tag to the note. When the outline of the box turns yellow, drop the note by releasing the mouse. Now the tag has been tied to this note. If working on a touchscreen device, such as an iPad, use the alternate method to tag the note. Because dragging and dropping can be arduous on a touchscreen device, those users will click the Add Tag button near the note that they intend to tag. Then plus signs will appear next to each of the available tags. The user will touch the desired plus sign to tie the note to the rubric tag. Click Done to stop tagging this way. Once there are several notes within the library, it may be advantageous to filter or sort the display by selecting either of the buttons at the top of the Notes library. You can choose to limit or organize the notes that are displayed within your view. This concludes this video tutorial designed to help end users browse for courses, conduct a course search, register for courses, and withdraw from courses within the myPGS portal.